Today I am going to show you ChatGPT. It is fully free. So I can think I can thought I make a good conversation with ChatGPT. So I write a one message on ChatGPT to ask any specific topic. Ask them, I will reply. It makes to develop my English conversation skills. That answer this question by me, and then the ChatGPT quickly respond this question. Great idea. Let's start with the fun topic, travel. Imagine you have an opportunity to visit any country in the world. Where would you go and why? Can you speak? That's it. Let's say ChatGPT asking quickly. I can't speak out loud, but I can simulate a conversation by typing. So okay, another topic. I can ChatGPT. Would you like ChatGPT asking 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 for me? Would you like to continue with the travel topic, or it's the another topic you prefer? Another topic. I prefer another topic. So ChatGPT generate the question. How generate the question? Yes. How about movies? What your favorite movie and what do you like most about it? No, I didn't like movies. So ChatGPT quickly respond this question. What's your favorite dish? Let's try something different. How about food? What's your favorite dish to eat or cook? And why did you enjoy it? I didn't like food also. Thanks for letting me know. Let's switch to different topic. How about hobbies or interest? What's something you enjoy doing in your free time? Yeah, it was nice question. My free time I edit my YouTube videos. Reality I edit my YouTube videos usually. Let's ChatGPT generate another question. That sounds interesting. What kind of videos do you edit? Do you have a specific theme or topic you focus on? Yes, I focus in English related contents only. That's great, nice. What type of English related content do you create? Do you make lessons types or learners or something else? I create I create English story and learning grammar. That sounds fantastic. Storytelling can be a really engaging way to teach English. Yes. ChatGPT quickly respond this question. I create English story and learning grammar. Okay. Do you have a favorite story you have created or grammar topic that you enjoy explaining the most? Yes, of course. Great. What's your favorite story or grammar topic? I had loved to hear more about it. ChatGPT also loved to hear that. What's your favorite story to grammar topic? I had loved to hear about it. Okay. 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 Have you liked? ChatGPT quickly respond this question. I don't have personal preference, but I think storytelling and grammar are both fantastic. What do you enjoy most about creating your stories or teaching grammar? What do you enjoy most about creating your stories? Creating stories. I also prefer that. I also prefer that topic. Stories. I create. I prefer to story telling. ChatGPT quickly. Yeah, ChatGPT regenerate. Just ChatGPT thinking about this question. Storytelling is such a powerful way to connect with people and convey lessons. Okay. What kind of stories do you like tell? Are they fictional, real life experience, or perhaps storytelling is such a powerful way to connect with people and convey lessons? What of kind of stories do you like to tell? Are they fictional, real? What kind of stories do you like? ChatGPT is answer the question. Answer the question on me. So I quickly respond this question. I like I like mm, stories. Okay, it was generating. It is generating. Fairy tales of enchanting, often have magical elements and valuable lessons. Do you have a favorite fairy tale, or do you create your own unique stories inspired by traditional ones? No, no, I created. ChatGPT also thinking about this question. Okay, memory updated. Okay, that's wonderful. Creating your own fairy tales allows to so much creativity. Yes, yes. What themes or message do you like include in your stories? Okay, I like historical stories. Most into in I like historical stories most included. Okay, ChatGPT thinking this question. That's fantastic blend. The fantastic blend. Blend means fantastic. That fantastic blend. Blend means yeah. Blend means fantastic blend. Okay, combining historical elements with fairy tales can create rich narratives. Do you focus on specific historical periods or events in your stories? No, no. I still thinking. So you keep it on open to various historical elements. That sounds like a fun way to explore different settings and charities. Characters. Do you have a favorite character or type of character you like to include your stories? Yes, character I also enjoying. Uh, yes, yes. Okay, this ChatGPT also conversation also make a conversation with me. This good platform able English beginners like me. So I create a conversation. I create a conversation small that ChatGPT generate conversation. It is small. I understand that question. So this helps to develop your conversation skills and writing skills also. Yeah, awesome. What kind of character do you enjoy including in your stories? I like. It was funny that okay, I see what I do, but I enjoying. Who is the enjoying my characters in your school in our stories? I like. I like. Mm, I like. I like. What kind of characters I most like? BTS. ChatGPT. That's cool. BTS has a much strong narrative and character developing in their music and videos. Do you incorporate elements of their style or themes in your stories. Incorporate elements. That means I understand. Understood. ChatGPT also thinking about this question. Great. If you have any other question or topic, I have a YouTube channel. I have a GPT. That's exciting. What's your name in your YouTube channel? And do you have a specific goal for it? Now, my only goal is creating a English conversation and develop my skills. So that is my goal. That is my purpose only. Okay. Let me know. Let me write this question. Okay. Feature world. It's called. It is called. It's called feature world channel. CHANNEL. ChatGPT also generate this question. Answering that question quickly. Wow, Future World Channel is a great name. Yes, it was a great name, but I don't have many subscribers and many watching views. Okay, fine. Future World Channel is a great name. What kind of content do you focus on besides single stories and grammar? As there are any future plans or themes you are looking to explore? ChatGPT ChatGPT asking this question. I quickly respond this question. I only focus English. English. I only focus English conversation. I only focus English language. ChatGPT quickly respond this question. Very quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, that's great. Got it. Keeping a focused theme can really help your audience. Do you have any specific goals with your channel, like reaching a number of subscribers or creating particular series of videos? Reaching a certain number of subscribers? No. Number of subscribers. ChatGPT, how to answer this question? That makes sense. Focusing on creating content you enjoy can be more rewarding than just chasing numbers. Is there a particular project on video? You quickly respond this question. That makes sense. Focusing on creating content you enjoy can be more rewarding than just chasing numbers. Is there a particular project or video you are currently working on that you are excited about? What kind of question? ChatGPT generate this question. Not reaching the number of subscribers. I am asking this question. ChatGPT quickly respond this question. That makes sense. Focus on creating content you enjoy can be more rewarding than just chasing the numbers. Is there a particular project or video you are currently working on that you are excited about? Yes. ChatGPT generated this question. That's great. What's the project or video you are excited about? I excited. Storytelling. Okay. ChatGPT quickly respond. Yeah, that sounds fantastic. Storytelling can be so engaging. Do you have any specific story to mind that you are planning to tell, or are you still in the creative progress? So, okay, ChatGPT generate this question like that. Okay, now you are not a conversation English partner. So, do you very sad about it? Not but this platform, do you happy about this by good English conversation partner and develop your grammatical issues. So this platform also used to or beginners or intermediates or advanced. Any persons are using this platform in many advantages in this platform get many advantages get in this platform. So very useful in this chat GPT AI tool. Okay, fine, let's write up this lesson. Okay, thank you guys watching my channel. I believe this content quickly reach the sky and many viewers are benefit in this content. So okay, fine. Thank you watching my our
Subscribe to the Future World channel so you can watch my latest videos.